We are now at the Hägglund's area. It's an industry facility with offices and production areas. The production areas is about 35,000 square meters. I'm facility manager and I take care of all the facilities, lead the projects, I count energy, I'm responsible for lighting, the whole environment in this facility. I suspected that we had too high energy bills for compressed air, so I used my supplier for compressed air, eSafe, to make some air measurements. They advised us to make an air scan to identify where are the leaks and what can we do about them. They did find a great deal of leaks from hoses and couplings and also from some pipes. They advised us to change all the hoses and fix the leaks in the pipes and also change all the couplings to quick connect couplings from CEJN. A good product, longer lifetime and safe for the user to operate and less recoil when they release the tools. The first impression when it was done, it was silent in the workshop. It's a good feeling. I needed to do a new measurement. It confirmed that the energy cut downs was greater than expected. And after the change to same quick couplings and hoses, we made the conclusion that the energy consumption went down from 850,000 kilowatt hours to 288,000 kilowatt hours. That in money it would mean about 40,000 euro, and today it would be at least a double. Another benefit was that the performance of the tools was much better because the system pressure went up and was more stable. It was obvious that the compressor was too large, and we start looking for a smaller one. Wasting air is wasting money. It's very expensive. All your money is blowing away.